everybody and welcome to your channel, The Italian Diaries. I'm back with another regional scholarship. This time it is ERDIS Marche Scholarship. So if you're studying or if you want to study or if you have received admission letter from any of these universities, then you can apply for this regional scholarship. So this regional scholarship is based on the income of you and your family members. So you need to show certain family documents, which I will tell you in a moment. So the benefit, you're going to receive the money part, the food part, the accommodation part, and also tuition fees waive off. If I talk about the money part, so the maximum amount you can receive is 7,655 euros. And from this 7,655 euro, the money for the food, that is 2,500 euro, will be deducted, plus accommodation 1,866 euro will be deducted. Then the maximum amount you're going to receive after paying food and accommodation will be 3,288. And the minimum amount you can receive is 778 euro. So this money you're going to receive in cash for your living expenses. Now what is this 24,000, or what is eligibility criteria for the income value? So you're going to see the ESE value, that is 24,000 euro. So if your income is lesser than 24,000 euro, then you're eligible for the scholarship and you might be the winner of the scholarship. Okay. Now this 24,000 euros, it's not like you can calculate okay, how much money your father, your mother is earning, or your sister, brother is earning, and you total it, and then you're gonna check if it is lower than or more than 24,000. So it doesn't work like that. There is a certain specific formula in order to calculate your ESE value. So they will also consider number of members in your family, income of your family, and also the property, if you own any property or if you don't own any property. Okay. Now with this, let me tell you about the documents that you have to show in order to apply for this scholarship. So you need to show the family income, the family composition, like how many members are there in your family, then a property certificate which will declare that if family members own any property or don't own any property, and also the square meters of the property. Another document will be your bank certificate. Okay, so you will go to your bank, you'll go to your bank manager and you will get your document. Now these documents should be for year 2021. Okay, so back date, that is last to last year. Then you have to visit to any tehsildar or any gazetted officer or revenue officer, and they will verify your document. After then, the Ministry of External Affairs or Ministry of Foreign Affairs are going to verify your document, and they are going to do a apostille on your document. After then, you will translate your document from authorized translators. That is important. Like a country like India, part of Hague Convention, or any other country, if they're part of Hague Convention, then you don't have to legalize your document. That is from the Italian consulate. Okay, so you can check if your country is part of Hague Convention or no in the link in the description. So the deadline to apply for the scholarship is 25th of August, but there are other things that you have to know. Okay. Now by 25th of August, of course, you will apply for the scholarship and you have to upload all your documents for the calculation of ESE. In case you're unable to give all these documents on time, then you will get another deadline, that will be 16th of October. Okay, and if you submit your documents by 16th of October, so if your document is incomplete or imperfect, you will get another deadline, that is 31st of January, to do the correction in all these documents. And the final ranking for the scholarship will be published on 31st of October. But it is important that additionally by 25th of August, you need to sign a declaration which you will find on the INPS. You have to sign a self-declaration, MB2 Module Framework C, University Services. Okay, so you have to get the self-declaration from INPS website and you have to provide them by 25th of August, the scholarship body. Then only you're going to get another deadline by 16th of October. So this is important. Other important things in the documentation part is that in case your family member is no more, then you have to also provide the date of their death. Okay, and also the death certificate if your parents are separate, so you have to provide that certificate. If divorce, then you have to provide that certificate. So whatever you will say, you have to back up with your certificate. If your brother or sister is married, then you have to provide the marriage certificate. Now some other key things which doesn't come under some categories, but it is important. So if you are eligible for scholarship, eligible means because of the exhaustion of fund, you are not the winner of the scholarship, but still you are eligible because your income criteria comes under the range of 24,000 euros. In that case, you can get accommodation by paying 210 euro each month, and also food at reduced price. And for the payment part, you're going to receive the payment in 3 installments, but you need to show the credit, like minimum number of credit, in order to get either second installment or third installment. So it depends also on your course, like whether you're studying masters or bachelor's. You need to bring 10, 15 or 20 credits. You need to check the list on this in the scholarship call, that how much credits you need to bring in order to get second or third installment. Okay, so you are going to get a deadline, that is 10th of August 2024, in order to bring certain credits. If you don't bring the certain credits by that amount, by that time, you're going to get another date, that is 30 November. Even though you don't bring any credit, like the required credit, by 30 November, then you need to refund all the money that you have received, or also the benefits that you have received. But also you're going to get time to, refund or return that money in terms of installments. So yeah guys, that's it for today. In case you're interested in any services for cover letter, for one-to-one session, to ask any questions to study in Italy, you can book a session with me. Check all the links in the description. And if you're also interested, you can buy my course Study in Italy with Scholarship, and I can tell you this course is very helpful for the student. Everything is in the description. Please go and check. So guys, yeah, that's it for today. Till the time, bye bye, ciao ciao.